How to fix NVIDIA display settings are not available. So what you're gonna have to do is just press on the search bar over here and search for services. Once you're in services, you're gonna have to navigate to the NVIDIA section. So you can tap on anything and just type in N. It will automatically bring you to the N alphabet, and NVIDIA will be there. So you're gonna have to focus on NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local System Container. So you can choose whichever first, but right click on either and press on Properties. What you're gonna have to do now and make sure the startup type is on automatic, and make sure the service status is on running. If it's not, then make sure you press on Start. Then just press on Apply, then press on OK. Next is the Local System Container. You're gonna have to go to properties and pretty much just do the same thing. Put the startup type as automatic and the service status as running. Apply and press OK, and once you've done both of those, you're gonna have to restart your computer. Then go ahead and try if the problem has been solved or not. But that's pretty much one way you can potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.